What's up, guys? Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I just wanted to talk about this potential next market move. A lot of people are thinking Q4 is going to be the blow off top, and November and December are going to be super bullish for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrencies. Possibly we'll get alt season, but I wanted to present this possibility that we're in a Wyckoff distribution, and we could be at the cycle end. The top could already be in. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about this. There are some people talking about it, but most of the main YouTube influencers and stuff like that are still bullish. Peter Brandt is a well-known trader, and he posted this chart about 10 hours ago on X, and it got me looking at different fractals on Bitcoin and also Ethereum. I want to cover the Ethereum ones. So basically, this is the classic Wyckoff distribution. We've got these points marked on the chart here, and let's take a look at Ethereum and see the different fractals we have here. So this is that same chart. So you can see this is the monthly time frame. So this is the monthly. If we kind of map things out here, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A, 5B. So on the monthly, I would say this part has mapped out. We haven't gotten this part. So notice on the chart here, we would need a breakdown to like the 3200-ish level to validate this Wyckoff setup on the monthly. But I want to zoom in now on the lower term time frames and show you guys what we have going on. So however you want to set it up, it could be that, it could be this. But basically that same fractal. And then if we zoom in even further, now we're going to go to the daily. And this is where I started from, was the daily time frame, and then I kind of checked the higher term time frames after I saw this one. So this one was the kind of the most clear one that I saw. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A, 5B. And in this one, we're already at the distribution phase, I would say. So if we break below here, it's going to start showing up on those higher time frames. That would also play out the same distribution pattern. And when those harmonics kind of play out and they're mirroring each other on multiple time frames, that's just strengthening the power of the setup, from what I understand. And another thing to look at is the volume in RSI. You can see the RSI is weakening. It can't hold over 50. The volume's low compared to previous cycles. Like if we go back out to the monthly, we can see that last cycle there was like a lot more volume. But yeah, just wanted to draw attention to this possibility that I don't think a lot of people are considering. I mean, obviously there is the bullish setups that we see. We've got the cup and handle, right? And it's broken out of this wedge here, which everyone sees. So as long as we're above this, technically the structure is still bullish, but if we break below here and get back into this range, it's not looking good. It's going to be looking like that Wyckoff distribution is playing out. And that's kind of what happened last time that I got bullish on ETH in December. It looked like we were also about to break out of the same pattern. And then we ended up going back to like 1300. So just something to be aware of. This phase would be the upthrust after distribution, and we're looking at a target of like 3200 to possibly as low as 2000 if the higher term time frame fractal would play out. So just wanted to bring that up. I'm not like a professionally trained technical analyst. I just saw the pattern that Peter Brandt shared and laid it over the chart, and you guys can do what you will with that information. All right.